Why am I recording a lesson in my car? Well, because we just moved and my office is not set up yet. So I wanted to make a lesson about the moving experience. And in this lesson, you're going to learn a lot of vocabulary words related to moving, cost, and you're going to learn some important phrases and expressions. Just listen and practice with me. And in the end, I will ask you questions about the things that I tell you about. So pay attention, listen carefully, and try to answer the questions after me. First of all, moving is a very stressful experience because you have to organize all of your things before you pack them. Because if you don't organize the stuff around the house before you pack them, later you will not be able to find them easily. So this is the first thing. And because of that, it's a very stressful experience and it takes a lot of time to pack. To pack means to put things in a box or in a bag. That's called packing. Before you travel or before you move, you have to pack. You pack boxes, you pack bags, and put your things together. Number one, that is packing. So I had to pack a lot of boxes and we didn't have boxes. So I had to buy boxes. I bought 45 boxes. 25 of the boxes were medium size and 20 large boxes. It cost about $50, but it was totally worth it because the boxes helped us organize our things. Also, we had to rent a truck. We had to rent a big moving truck. It was a 26-foot long truck and we had to hire movers. A mover is someone who can help you move. Now, if you don't have experience with moving or you have many heavy boxes, then you will not be able to move. Otherwise, you'll hurt your back or you'll break a bone or you'll break something. So we hired 3 movers to help us load the truck. To load means to put things onto a car or onto a truck. So all the boxes, all of our things were boxed and packed and ready to go. The movers helped us load and unload. To unload means to remove things from a car or a truck. So the 3 movers helped us load and unload everything. And of course, this is not cheap. They charged $135 per hour. That's a lot of money. But honestly, it's a lot of work. So they deserve that money. They deserve it. It took them about 4 hours, actually more than 4 hours. Around 4 hours to load everything, and it took them another 3 hours to unload. And this made me realize that we have a lot of stuff. So I want to get rid of a lot of things that I don't need. To get rid of means to remove something that you don't need. Maybe you can sell something, maybe you can donate it. That is called get rid of. Sometimes you can use get rid of for something that is not good. Like if you have food in the fridge that is expired, you need to get rid of it. So you can use it for something that is negative, to remove something that's bad. Yeah. So I really want to get rid of a lot of things that I don't need or that I don't use. Now, after you pack all of your things, you box all of your things and you load everything into the truck, you move to the new location, to the new house, and then you have to unload, and then the fun part starts. And what is that? Unpacking. To unpack means to take things out of a box or out of a bag. So now there are many things that I have to look for because I can't find them. There's something that can help you find the things easily. First, this is something I learned from my wife. You should pack room by room. So for example, in the kitchen, pack the stuff, put the things in the boxes from the kitchen. Box the things that you have in the bedroom, pack them in the same boxes. And also, something that is more important than packing room by room is labeling your boxes. What is label? Label is a tag or something that you write or you put on a box that tells you what's in it. So, for example, in my office, I have keyboard, microphone, monitor, other electronic devices. I put them all in a box and then I label it. I write on the box microphone or office items, microphone, keyboard, etc. Now, there are things that you box that easily break, like glasses, other things that easily break. So when you put them in a box, you have to label the box, what's inside it, but also there's a little sticker that you can buy and put on the box, and there's a word on that sticker. And what's that word? Fragile. Fragile tells the person who moves the box, this box has things that easily break. So please handle with care. Handle it or move it carefully so that it doesn't break. Luckily, we didn't really break anything. We did not damage anything during the move, and I'm very, very happy about that. And that is because we were very organized. We organized our things, we packed carefully, and the movers were very professional in loading and unloading. We spent about $1,000 or more for this move, paying the rental truck, paying the movers, paying for boxes, and everything that come with moving. And it was all worth it because we wanted a safe moving experience where nobody gets hurt, nobody gets injured, and nothing gets damaged. And I'm very happy about that. That was the end of the story about our moving experience. Now, I will ask you some questions and I want to see what information you remember. This is a great way to practice your comprehension. And by the way, you can speak out loud. You can answer out loud. Question: how many movers did we hire? That's right, 3 movers. We hired 3 movers. What's a mover? Well, a mover is a person that helps you move. A professional helper. That is a mover. How much did I pay the movers? That's right. I paid the movers $135 per hour. So yeah, it was more than $1,000 because how many hours did we spend with loading and unloading? Do you remember? That's right. 4 hours loading, 3 hours unloading. So about 7 to 8 hours. Yeah. How many hours? 7 to 8 total. How much did we spend overall for this move? More than $1,000. That's right. More than $1,000. Why am I recording this lesson in the car? What's the reason? That's right. Because my office is not set up yet. I don't have my office. That's right. That's why. Next question. How many boxes did I buy? Do you remember? 45 boxes. I bought 45 boxes. Yeah. How much per box? Or how much did I pay for the boxes? Around $50. I spent around $50 on boxes. Yes. What size boxes did I buy? That's right. 25 medium-sized boxes and 20 large boxes. What's the word for something that easily breaks? That's right. Fragile. Fragile is an adjective that describes something that easily breaks. What is a label? Do you remember? A label is something that you put in a box that tells you what's in it. Maybe you can write on the box or you put a sticker on the box. That's called label. Yeah. Do you have any questions for me? Write a question in the comment section below and let me know if you like this video and if you want me to make more videos like this. That's the end of today's lesson. Thanks for watching and learning about my moving experience. I will see you in the next lesson.